Clyde Apps tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Glide. Glide is an online no-code app builder that can help you in making amazing apps without having to learn how to code, without having to hire 10 people, and still be able to manage your brand and your business effectively. So building your app can be so complicated, especially when you're getting started from scratch and you have no idea how to get everything out there. But with Glide, you will be able to do all of that and much, much more very simply. So let's get started. Now, to get started with Glide, you can just go on ahead and sign up or get a 30-day free trial for their application. Now, first off, if you are just building your first application, you can get started for free. And if you want to use their premium plan for the exclusive features of unlimited personal users, 500 updates, 2 editors in one application, you can pay a $49 monthly fee if you choose yearly billing, or a $60 monthly fee if you go for monthly billing. And we're going to get started for free to build our first app on Glide. Now, first off, when you go ahead and proceed with your Glide account, you're going to have to sign up to Glide like you would to any website or platform. We're going to wait for that, and we're going to just sign up with our Google account to create our Glide account over here. You can also choose to get started with your email address. So we are going to create our account on Glide, and once we've done that, we will be led to the onboarding questions. So how did you hear about Glide, and what are you building your app for? How many people are going to be working, and what is your role? Then what type of application are you looking to create? Now, this is the important onboarding question. If you want this to be a customer portal, a CRM, a employee portal, field management, knowledge base, or event app. So let's say that I am looking to create a simple inventory management for my business. So I'm just going to start with, I want to create a simple inventory management system for my retail business, which has a point of sale and warehouse like this. So once I've completed the basic description, you will see on the right, they will even give you a preview of what your app is going to look like. And I will click on Let's Glide to get started with building my application. So the first step we're going to do is click on New Application. Now you're going to choose the type of app you want to choose. This can be a blank app, a basic app, or a portal app as well. This just really depends on the layout you want for your application and can be customized later on. You will see that it has led me to my initial dashboard preview that it had created. Now on the left, you have your navigation, where first I have employees, then I have warehouses, and then I have users. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take a look at my app over here and get started with customizations, because I find the basic draft that it has created for us to be pretty suitable. So in this, what I'm going to do is on the left, if I click on products, you will see the items laid out in the form of cards. And the source is products over here. Then I can click on option and add conditions based upon user profile data. So I can click on OK over here. And let's say if a user profile includes enter a value, let's say owner, only then I want a certain thing to be visible. So this is totally up to you. I personally don't like to do this, but you can customize visibility for, let's say, more prestigious products that not everyone should have access to. Now below that, we have our item data. So a name, a price, a meta, and then a image as well. Now in my meta, I want to maybe add something like the size of the product. So I want to choose sizes over here, and I want this to be maybe in a data grid instead. So this is going to be a bit easier. You can also do it in the form of a table. Kanban or custom view. Now for our label, I think product is a fine label for this particular section. Now below that I have employees, which I don't think I need a lot of customization for. And then we have our warehouses and users. Now what you're going to do is once you have set up the visual appearance of your data, you're going to click on data on the top left from where you're going to customize the actual data fields. So first off, let's say that I have the price and then the stock and then the image. But for each product, I have variants. So I have size-based variants. So what I'm going to do is I am going to create a new column. I'm going to discard this, but I will create a new column and I will name it size. And the type it is going to be is that it is going to be in relation to product stock, and below that I will choose the name, relate to items or the value in, and then we're going to click on save. Now I can choose to add them in relation, but I find this setup to be a bit difficult for everyone to manage, so instead I'm just going to add the size, and then we have computed. So this is going to be a single value, or this could be a multiple choice configuration, but setting that up is also going to be quite a bit of an hassle. So I think I'm going to go with a simpler solution to that to make it easier for everyone to use it. Instead of a size being a product variant, I will add the size with three different variations. So I can click on the product, and what I'm going to do is I can duplicate this product. So whatever product I have over here, I can duplicate that, and this can help me in setting up the rest of my product. So one is small cotton t-shirt, then I can add medium cotton t-shirt, then larger cotton t-shirt. Obviously, this is going to be difficult if you have more than 3 variants. So in that particular configuration, you're going to add a name, and then you can add your text over here, and then you're just going to click on save and add the sizes over here. So in their size, I can add S, M, and L like this. So I just know that I have these sizes available for each product. Now you can enter or customize your data. So if I have certain items like this one, let's say I can check off these ones that are not my items, I can just delete them and add my own product. So let's say I have a tote bag, and then I can enter the price. Let's say it's $55. And then I have 200 or 300 of them, and then I can upload an image and add the sizes as well. In the same way, you're going to enter your employee data in warehouses, and then you can click on layout on the top tab and you will see your customizations. Then once you have completed that, you can click on publish on the top right and then click on publish to publish your first application using Glide. You can also supercharge your app with different actions, such as connecting it to Gmail and other applications for better management of your inventories. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you are now able to get started with Glide. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.